Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to change the record view in Salesforce CRM using Lightning Experience. If you want to customize how a record looks for a different users, profiles or apps, this video is going to very helpful for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before jumping into practical steps, let's understand what record view actually means in Salesforce. A record view is the UI layout of a record, like accounts, contact, opportunity, or case, or any custom objects. A record view in the UI layout, it decides which fields you see, how tabs like detail and related tabs are appear, which components like charts, path, and related lists are visible. So these are all the things controlled by the record view. In Lightning Experience, record view is mainly controlled using Lightning record pages, not in the page layout. Most people think page layout can control the fields and all the things visibility, but actually it is mainly controlled using Lightning record page. So important thing. So one of the most important thing in this is page layout and record pages are not in the same. Most people think both are same. Actually, it's not. Page layout controls field and buttons. Lightning record page controls UI and components. In later, we will discuss how actually it controls. So most beginners get confused here. Keep this in mind. So let's understand how the record views works. So first, we need to open any one of the record. So once you open, then click on Setup. In here, you can see multiple options are there, like Setup, Data Cloud Setup, Service Setup, Salesforce, Developer Console, Edit Page, Edit Object. In here, you need to click on Edit Page. Once you click on Edit Page, let's understand the Lightning App Builder. So in left side, you can see components. Okay. In the right, record preview. Record preview means how the record will be visible for users. In the right side, we have a property tab. So we have a component properties. Okay. So why how record views are works? For example, this is my record view, right? This is my record preview. So in here, I need to add the activity tab. So how we can add? In the right side, we have a components. Just click on drag and drop it. If you just click on drag and drop it, it will automatically appear in main preview page. Okay. For example, I need charter also. Just go to charter, click on that, you just drop. So this is the important thing of record views. So we can add the new components, remove the unnecessary components, rearrange the sections, then highlight the panel, tabs, related list, report charts. All the things are possible in record view. Currently, I will rearrange this thing. For example, if I drag and drop before last. So this is the rearrange. We can add tabs, remove existing tabs, change the tab order. For example, detail related activity or any custom tabs like reports and notes also we can arrange. So this helps organizing record very cleanly and computably. So then we can also set the visibility. Visibility means who can see this particular tab or field or path or button. Like for example, currently I have one path. Path name is read stage. So just click on add filter. So in here, so my requirement is I need to hide this path from the finance user. So just click on advanced. In here, we need to select the field. Our field is user profile. User profile name is equal to, if name not equal to finance. Finance. Okay. If username not equal to finance, click on done. Means what this refers to means if the user is finance user, this path will be automatically hide. If other than finance, it will be showing like that. So then click on activation. So in activation, we have a three options like org default, app default, app record type and profile. Org default means it will common for all users. App default means for users of a specific app. Then app record type and profile means it says for this is for specific user only. Choose the option based on your requirement. Then click on save. Okay. Then we need to click on save. So changes are saved. Once changes are saved, go to back home page. So currently we are in lead object. Previously in here we don't have activity tab. Now it's visible. Okay. So and also we done one more thing. Like we have a hide the path from the finance user. For example, I will log in as my finance user. Just click on Salesforce. Just log in. I will use finance user name. Okay. I just log in as a finance user. Once we log in, go to leads because we made the changes in lead, right? You can open any one of the record. So if you open, your path is not visible for you. Like in here, we have a path, but in here, we don't have a path. So this is the main advantages of record view. So this is the how record views are works. So what are the differences between record page versus page layout? Page layout controls fields, buttons, basic related list. Lightning record page controls UI design, components, tabs, chats, and dynamic visibility. So then, what are the users of real-time users of this record view? Okay, sales team. So for example, I need to show the path charts fixation for sales team. In that type, we can specifically mention supporting team. For example, history related list, we need to show that particular thing. Managers, reports and KPI on the record page. This all the we can specifically see that particular users. In that time, we will go with this record views. So this is how we can use record view in Salesforce. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.